Hello, my name is Lady Fabiola Alegría Ferrin. I'm going to tell you about present perfect. Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures during the day? Have you ever admitted in store? Have you ever practiced exercise on the beach? Have you ever gone skiing? Have you ever ride a motorcycle? Have you ever drunk tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? Have you studied English before? Have you ever run a marathon? Have you ever hit tacos at a house? Have you ever worked or 15 hours in your office? Have you ever visited the Great Wall of China? Have you ever had iPhone before? Have you ever someone doesn't? Have you ever lost your logo?